Hello! Today I want to do a makeup tutorial and I want to wear yellow eyeshadow because I saw this picture of Zendaya the other day. I mean, this isn't a recent picture, but I saw this picture the other day and she's rocking yellow eyeshadow and I just felt like doing the same. I want it to be summer, I want it to be warm and nice out, and so I'm gonna do yellow eyeshadow today, and I think I might make it glossy because she's got a glossy lip on and I want to put gloss on my, I think I want to do like a yellow glossy eyeshadow and freckles. So that's what I'm gonna do and I hope you enjoy. As you can see, I've already got my foundation on. I'm doing a first impression today, so that's what this is. You'll see that soon, or you will have already seen it, I'm not sure. The rain is so loud. Foundation already done. Brows are freshly microbladed. I got them done yesterday, that's why they look quite red and dark. I'm not allowed to put makeup on them for a week. I'm gonna put on a little bit of Shape Tape onto my lids just to give the eyeshadow something to stick onto. Maybe I'll use a blending brush to apply it. Gonna use my Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Finish powder just to set that. Okay, so in Zendaya's look, she had like a warm brown in her crease and then a yellow on the lid. So I'm gonna go into my Morphe palette and take the kind of warm orangey yellow brown, and I'm just gonna softly put that in my crease as a transition shade. I think I'm gonna make this look even more basic than hers. She has lashes on and like a smoky black liner at the lash line, and I just want to make it so basic, like super minimal. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm sorry if you can hear the rain, by the way, it's so loud. I'm then gonna take a little bit of this slightly darker brown and I'm just gonna whack that right in the outer crease to give my give my eyes a little bit of shape. But even this, we want soft, soft, soft. I've got a few yellow eyeshadows. I've got another Morphe palette, but that's not the right kind of yellow, I don't think, for this look. That's a bit too much of a acidy green yellow. Here we go. Okay, in this NYX Ultimate Brights palette, we've got a couple of worthy contenders here. I'm gonna start with this kind of yellowy orange and I'm just gonna apply this to my lid all over and begin to blend it into that warm brown. You want this colour to be so soft and blended. And then in this Brights palette here from Morphe, I'm gonna take a little bit of that orange and just use that to transition the yellow into the brown. But again, barely anything. And then again, blending it out so well. I'm then gonna take the light yellow in the NYX palette. So I pack it on top just to see how it looks. I'm gonna take a flat brush and I'm actually gonna take a bit of that bright yellow from the Morphe palette to see what happens. Literally, it's an experiment. Maybe if I try it with my finger. Going in with my finger and just pushing that on top. I feel like I need a really, I just need a punch of yellow. That's the eyeshadow for now. We're gonna leave it like that for a bit. I'm gonna do the rest of my face. I'm gonna go light on the skin again. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of the, I was gonna say Morphe, no, Glossier Stretch Concealer. Something quite key about this look is that you want your skin to also be glossy. And then where I need just a little bit more coverage, I'm going in with my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Medium. Setting under my eyes with my RCMA No Colour Powder, just a touch. I'm loving these eyeshadows now. To keep things warm, I am going to go in with my MAC Give Me Sun, just to warm up my skin. I'm so sorry if you can hear this rain, it's so loud and there's two Veluxes just above me. As always, I'm going to do a bit of a nose contour with the old Hoola. The red in my eyebrows are really throwing me off right now, so I'm sorry if that's annoying you at all. It's kind of annoying me. What can you do? Speaking of benefit, I received this adorable PR package in the mail this morning. It's a giant blush, but it's not actually a giant blush. It's their new Gold Rush blush. So it comes in a full size, obviously, and it also comes in a mini, which is absolutely adorable. I love anything mini. It says Warm Golden Nectar Blush. Oh, that sounds lovely. Comes with the same, comes with the same brush as always. Please tell me you're seeing how beautiful that is. Please, please. And it smells amazing. Oh my god, that smells like, it smells like perfume. This is my second favourite, I think. Second favourite smelling blush. My first favourite has to be California. That just smells like holidays. But this is beautiful. I'm going to wear this today. I don't know whether that gold is a gold foil. Yeah, it is. It's a peach with a gold foil, and once you've used it, the foil comes off. It's a very light colour. That's pretty. It's a very, very natural. And yeah, all of the sheen is gone. But that's a pretty colour. I think maybe when I'm a little bit paler, that will show up even better. That's nice. I'm going to take the brush that had all the different yellows on, and I'm going to go back in with a little bit of this shade, mixed with a little bit of that shade, which will then mix with the yellow on the brush. And I'm just going to run that softly under my eye, just lightly. And then I'm going back in, now everything's kind of settled into the skin, back in with another layer of the yellow, just right on the lid. And then I'm going to apply loads of mascara. I'm going to use the Paradise Ecstatic mascara today. It's okay if they're like a little bit spidery, a little bit clumpy. It's kind of part of the look. Now, a reason that I'm not going to use my fave at the moment, the Bad Gal Rain, could you not? The reason I'm not using the Bad Gal Bang is because it transfers really badly, and when you put a gloss on your lid, you want something that's going to hold up slightly better than that. And on a colour as light as yellow, it's going to be so obvious, so that's why. I've gone for big, like clumpy spider lashes. You don't have to do this. You could go for a really natural lash if you want, but I just got a bit carried away, okay? And then I'm gonna do the gloss. So this is one of my favourite tricks. You've seen me do this multiple times on my channel. I take a little bit of the Elizabeth Arden 8-Hour cream. This is just like the balm kind of, ugh, there's fluff. It comes in a tube, it comes in a pot, it's the same thing. And I just take a little touch of this, not a lot, and this I just pat over the lid. Okay, for my highlight, I said I'd use these. I've got two drugstore highlighters. The first one is this Maybelline Master Chrome, and then the other one is the L'Oreal La Vie en Glow. Those two shades are speaking to me. I'm going to start with the Maybelline one. I'm really intrigued by this because I've seen such amazing reviews, so I'll be the judge of that. I was not expecting, wow, I was not expecting that at all. It doesn't look even slightly like luminous in the pan, and then you blend it and boom, boom. That's like a proper gold, yellow gold. That's perfect for this look. I'm also just gonna pull this up here above the brow. Gotta do some freckles. This look is in some dire need of some freckles. That highlight's really pretty. I'll come back to the L'Oreal highlight, but I'm gonna take my Bobbi Brown bronzer in the shade Natural, and you guys know the drill. Okay, I'm now gonna try these two mixed together. Boop. Wow. So pretty. Okay, so here is how the look has turned out so far. I want to try this with a red lip because the red top is making me want to put a red lip on, and it's so like wet and glossy on the eye. I feel like a really powdery matte red lip will look really cool. I'm going to use Morphe's High Maintenance and Anastasia's American Doll to see how it looks. Yeah, I love that. I think it looks cool with the red. Sweet. I don't think I really talked too much in that video. I think what this was me playing with makeup and you just watching. But I hope you enjoyed it. I just felt like doing something a little bit different, and I really love how it turned out. So very simple look. I really hope you enjoyed. Make sure to leave a comment down below, let me know what you think, and make sure you give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy this video. And also, if you are new, hello, welcome, please subscribe, it'd be lovely to have you. Thanks for watching again, and I will see you in my next video.